My name is Mayur Sathe. I am basically from Maharashtra. I have completed my B electrical specialization. I have completed my graduation in B electrical specialization from Savitribai Phule University with overall CGPA 7.58. After that, I came to join Qspider. Because of Qspider, I have detailed knowledge about the manual testing, Qspider, SQL, core Java, and little bit about the Selenium. Because teaching staff of Qspider is very good. Because of Anvesh sir, manual testing he is very good in teach manual testing. Ekta ma'am is for teach SQL, and Akshay sir is going to teach Java. Teaching staff is very good, as well as non-teaching staff is very or really supportive. And here Qspider conduct a daily Saturday mocks or grooming session to build candidate confidence, as well as interview process related. And currently I have got placed in Lowstone from Qspider. So for that, thank you for Qspider.